For this lesson, I already prepared a simple HTML document structure. Our HTML document has doc type declaration with value HTML, which means that we are using HTML version 5. Then we have HTML element, and inside of it we have head and body for our HTML document. Inside of body we have 7 different paragraphs, and every paragraph has unique identifier or ID like P1, P2, P3, etc. For every single paragraph, we will define different type of CSS color. So inside of head element for our document, we have style block with ID selectors that we'll use to select different paragraphs from our body. And for every single paragraph, we will apply background color CSS property with different type of CSS color. So for paragraph 2, we will set, for example, RGB A color, etc. Okay, so now we can save this document. So let's go on the file, save. Let's save it on desktop, it's gonna be easier for us to find it. Let's call it index.html. Okay, we have saved our document, so let's minimize our text editor. And this is our index page, so let's open it. And voila! These are 7 paragraphs with different background colors that we have set inside of our HTML document. So if you take a look, those are paragraphs that we have inside of body. So let's analyze this. Let's click on inspect. So now on the right hand side, inside of elements tab, we have structure of our HTML document. So let's expand head, let's expand body, let's expand style as well. So basically, if you take a look inside of head, these are styles that we have defined inside of our HTML document, right? Okay, so these are styles, and down here we have body with the paragraphs that we have defined inside of our HTML document as well. Okay, so now we can here directly edit these styles. So let's click on the right click and let's click edit as HTML. You can change styles here directly. For example, if you take a look on second paragraph, our first paragraph basically has same 3 values like a second, but here we have transparency for our color. So this is only difference, and let's change this. Let's set transparency to 0. So basically for our second paragraph, background color is transparent. Okay. Once again, we can change this. Let's set this value to 1. So now second and first paragraph has totally same color. We can do the same for every other background color. And I always recommend, let's search on Google, for example, for color converter. From the list, you can find this link. This is official W3 Schools link. So on this page, you can type any type of color that you want. For example, predefined, HEX, RGB, HSL, or any other. And you will get all notations for that color. For example, if you type hexadecimal value color, for this color, down here you will get RGB or HSL or any other color. If we click down here on this link, now inside of this page, if you click on this or use HTML5, you can basically choose from this palette any color that you want. For example, let's choose this color. And for this color, we have hexadecimal notation, RGB value notation, and HSL value notation. So basically you can copy value from here. Let's edit our text document as HTML. So now instead of HSL, we can paste new value. Okay, this is for third paragraph, so let's click outside of box. And we have applied new color with the new HSL value for color that we have choose. Okay. So basically this concept can be used for any other except of predefined value colors. So what we can do for predefined value colors? Basically you can search also on Google for predefined HTML value colors. Okay, and from the list of links, you can choose this one. This is also W3 School's official website. And from this website, you can find all predefined CSS value colors that you can choose inside of your website. So any of those colors can be applied. So let's choose any. For example, this golden road. Okay, inside of our index page, let's click on Edit as HTML, and let's replace our orange color with a new color. So when we click outside of the box, as you can see for our last paragraph, new golden road color has been applied. So folks, this is how you can choose and use any CSS color inside of your website.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.